Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about 5 awesome projects every front-end developer should build in 2023 to get a job. So as you might already aware of, front-end web development is becoming more popular in the last few years. The demand for experienced front-end developer is constantly increasing. There are more roles in the web development industry nowadays. That's why these days a lot of people choose to become a front-end developer for different reasons. So in order to improve your skills, you will always have to practice what you have learned. Building projects is very important, especially if you are still a new developer. Projects will help you fill your portfolio and become a good, valuable developer. Having that on your portfolio would open the doors for you and help you advance your career. In addition to that, building new projects is also a good solution to get away from tutorial hell. So you can avoid spending long periods of time watching tutorials by doing some projects instead. So in this video, I'll share you a list of awesome projects you can build to improve your front-end skills. So let's get right into it. So the first project that you can build is good looking brochure website. So as a front-end developer, being able to convert any type of design into a functional web page is one of the important skills that you must have. The only way to be good at that is to practice. By building a static brochure website, you can learn all of that and practice your skills. A brochure website can be anything, such as a personal website, or landing page for your business, or a newsletter landing page. You just need to have good knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript so that you can convert any mockup into a web page. This is a good way to show that you can create appealing and highly converting landing pages that are eye-catching. You just need to follow the UI best practices and make sure that website looks clean. So here are some of the examples of brochure websites that you can try. First is agency website, restaurant website, portfolio website, a landing page for your business, or anything. And the skills that you need to build these websites are HTML, CSS, responsive web designing, JavaScript, and an eye for design. Simply, in other language, you can say user experience. So this is just an example of one of the projects of the brochure website that you can build on your screen. So I have added the link of this project in the description section. You can check the code from there. Second, a simple web page using an API. Another good project that you can add to your portfolio as a front-end developer is a kind of web application that uses an API. Nowadays, there are a lot of awesome APIs that you can use in order to build a web application. These are free of cost, of course. These projects will improve that you can easily work with third-party API. So simply, you will create a small web app that consumes an extra API. This could be any type of web app such as movie app, weather app, or a meme generation app, for example. So here is an example of weather app where you can search for cities and check the weather situation. So again, I have added the link in the description section for the code. You can go and check this out. And here you have freedom to choose any framework that you like or just to use only vanilla JavaScript as well. The goal is that you can build a website that displays the API data or does some operations on the website. So here are some examples of a small web application that you can build using an API like weather app, job search app, movies app, meme generation app, and the skill that you need: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Axios for fetching the data from the API, or you can use simple Ajax or fetch call of JavaScript. And the framework that you can use is React, Vue, or Angular. Angular is basically advanced, so you don't have to go with that. React and Vue can be a good option to just start with the framework. And the third project is an e-commerce shopping cart. This project is all about building a cool shopping cart with some good functionality. Simply, you will need to create an e-commerce shopping cart that can have multiple functionalities like ability to add the products into the cart, ability to view all the products added to the cart, ability to remove products from the cart, and the ability to calculate all the prices of the products. So here is the sample application on your screen. You can simply build this type of application. Which can have these simple functionalities. I have added the link in the description section. The use of shopping cart is useful on e-commerce websites and online stores. All you need to create is clean store front-end interface with some functionality, of course. And the skill which is required to build such type of application is same like the previous app: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Vue or Angular. The fourth one is, which is very important, your personal portfolio. So now that you have some simple projects, so it is a time to start with your personal portfolio website. So basically, the portfolio website needs to look clean and visually appealing. Make sure you follow all the web design best practices. So your portfolio needs to represent you in a good way. It should contain an about page that talks about you, a contact page where people can connect with you, and a projects page to showcase all your previous projects that you have just built right now. And also the home page should look clean and nicely designed. The fifth one is build your own blog. So as a front-end web developer, you should really have a blog website. There are a lot of good reasons to have a blog as a developer. By building your own blog using the skills you have learned, you can write articles and share knowledge with other developers. In addition to that, you can also document your journey and make yourself as a developer in the industry. Here is an example of the blog websites that you can build, and like always, I have added the link in the description section. So a blog website is a good way to get yourself in front of recruiters and get more opportunities for your development career. Moreover, if you take a blog seriously, you can have a solid presence on the internet as well. So this is a great project to build. It will allow you to share knowledge and have an additional project to your portfolio. So the question is how you can build your own blog website, right? Well, the best way to use a static site generator like GridSum or Gatsby if you're using Vue or React. It will make it simple for you to create a website where you can quickly post blog posts. Tools and skills you should use for building such type of blogs are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, MDX, static site generators, etc. So these were the 5 websites where you can focus upon and create a good career in the front-end development field. So as you can see, this was a small list of some projects that you should build to improve your skills as a web developer. Because projects are very important if you want to become a good developer. You can only improve your coding skills if you build stuff. Watching tutorials without building anything is always not a good idea. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today. Also, if you found my content useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you have any question, feel free to add into the comment section. I'll definitely consider it.